Let me say something that might hurt, especially if art is close to your heart. You were normally told, do what you love and money will follow. So you followed your passion. You stayed consistent. You sacrificed time, sometimes even sleep, sometimes your family time as well. But today, you are still worrying about money, still adjusting, still explaining why heart is not stable. And the very thought that scares you is, what if my passion is not enough? Today, I want to talk about a truth artists normally avoid because avoiding it feels safer than facing it. I know this is not to discourage you, this is to wake you up. Let me share the hard truth. Passion creates art, but structure creates freedom. Passion is emotional, freedom is practical. Passion makes you create, but passion does not pay bills, create consistency, protect your time, earn respect. And this is exactly why many passionate artists are exhausted. They are emotionally fulfilled but financially anxious. And anxiety slowly kills passion. Not because you stopped loving art, but because you started feeling unsafe. And for women artists, passion becomes an even bigger trap. You are praised for being creative, dedicated, sacrificing, flexible, but you are rarely taught to be strategic, assertive, financially ambitious, clear boundaries fixed. So, what happens is you keep giving free work, extra effort, extra time, and you call it love for the art. But deep down, you feel tired, you feel unseen, you feel dependent. Passion without boundaries is exploitation. Let's talk about financial freedom honestly. Financial freedom is not one viral post, one exhibition, one lucky client. Financial freedom is all about predictable income, clear offers, repeatable systems, decision making power. And passion does not build any of these. Business skills do. This is why two artists with equal talent end up completely in different places. One artist keeps hoping, the other one starts building. And unfortunately, hope doesn't scale. You want to know why do artists still resist this particular truth? Because accepting it means admitting you need help, admitting you need guidance, admitting you need to learn something new. And many artists confuse independent with isolation. You think, I should be able to figure this out. But here is the reality. Every financially free professional, artist or not, has learned systems from someone who already figured it out. Struggle is not a badge of honor, it is a signal you need direction. Let me share a reframe that can change everything. Passion is the fuel, business is the vehicle. Fuel without a vehicle goes nowhere. But when you add a clear structure, right pricing, confident communication, strategic growth, something magical happens. You know what? You don't lose passion, you protect it. Because this financial safety allows creativity to breathe. Freedom doesn't kill art, freedom frees art. An artist who understands this early move faster and they stop romanticizing the struggle. They stop waiting for validation. They stop explaining their choices. They invest in clarity. They choose guidance. They choose growth. And this is not for artists who want to feel busy. This is for artists who want to feel secure. And secure enough to say no, charge confidently, plan their future, build something on a long term. If you still believe passion alone will save you, this video will feel uncomfortable for you. But if you are ready for freedom, this video will feel honest. If this video felt like I was speaking directly to you, then my art business coaching is designed exactly for artists who are done struggling, done depending on luck, and ready to turn passion into a sustainable profession. This is not motivation, this is mentorship. And I have given all the details in the description. And remember this, passion starts the journey, but structure decides the destination. I'll see you in the next video.